Are the majority of the manual, repetitive tasks in your everyday workload keeping you from higher impact work? Do you feel there is never enough time to put new business growth initiatives into action? The answer is right here. Automated busy work, data-driven insights, and increased productivity are all possible with AI solutions. In this video, I'll share some of my top AI assistants for increasing productivity and earnings. You'll discover how AI can do things like qualify leads, manage your social media, and more so you can concentrate on high-level growth. Let's explore the important AI innovations that will revolutionize the effectiveness of your business. Prepare to use artificial intelligence to transform time-consuming daily routines into efficient processes. A growing trend in today's fast-paced corporate world is the use of AI tools to increase productivity and profitability. An AI business assistant is one of these tools that is rising in popularity. With its sophisticated features, this cutting-edge technology functions as a virtual assistant, expediting chores and procedures. An AI business assistant may smoothly plan appointments, manage emails by prioritizing them, and send out timely reminders for crucial meetings and deadlines. Professionals may devote more time to high-value activities that immediately affect the bottom line by automating these menial jobs. Companies who use this technology report higher levels of overall productivity since staff are better able to concentrate on important activities rather than being mired down with paperwork. Additionally, the adoption of AI tools has created new opportunities for business owners to generate income online. Personalized recommendations and targeted adverts are produced by AI-powered algorithms as a result of the expansion of e-commerce platforms and digital marketing methods. This raises conversion rates in addition to increasing consumer engagement. Businesses are seeing a big increase in earnings as they use AI to their advantage in online activities. Finally, the increasing use of AI to increase efficiency is altering how firms run. Professionals can now optimize their time management abilities while streamlining their workflows thanks to the development of potent solutions like AI business assistants. Parallel to this, business owners utilizing AI algorithms for online businesses are observing greater revenue due to improved client experiences and conversion rates. It is impossible to exaggerate the impact that AI tools have had on company productivity across a wide range of industries. One essential idea about AI tools is that they are supposed to improve human workers' talents rather than to replace them. AI allows staff to focus on more strategic and creative projects by automating repetitive jobs like data entry and customer support questions. Increased productivity and higher quality work production result from this. To obtain the best results, firms must, however, establish a balance between automation and human interaction. Moreover, by using sophisticated data analytics methods, AI systems can offer priceless insights into consumer behavior and market trends. These systems can analyze enormous volumes of data at breakneck speeds, allowing them to spot patterns and warning signs that might otherwise escape human notice. With this information at hand, firms can decide more intelligently which goods or services will appeal to their target market and adjust their strategy as necessary. Utilizing AI tools not only improves productivity but also keeps companies competitive in a constantly changing industry. Businesses that adopt these technologies are better able to manage complex regulatory frameworks and adapt to changing consumer demands. Businesses can proactively reinvent their services rather than reacting reactively to disruptions by utilizing AI's capacity to analyze market patterns and predict future demands. Streamlining processes is a primary concern for businesses striving to enhance efficiency and remain competitive in today's modern business environment. AI automation is a crucial technology that is transforming how businesses run. AI automation may assist businesses in many ways to optimize their operations through the use of machine learning algorithms and advanced analytics. Process automation is one area where AI automation excels. AI can automate operations to save time and lower human error by analyzing repetitive tasks and spotting patterns. Employees can then concentrate on tasks that are more strategic and valuable, which boosts productivity and encourages creativity inside the company. The ability of AI automation to enhance decision-making processes is another advantage. Artificial intelligence, AI, systems can swiftly deliver timely insights that let businesses take well-informed decisions by evaluating enormous amounts of data from several sources. AI automation provides businesses with the real-time knowledge they need to spur growth, whether it's forecasting customer behavior or spotting industry trends. Overall, incorporating AI automation into daily operations can improve decision-making, streamline workflows, and increase productivity in businesses across all industries. Businesses have the chance to stay ahead of the competition by utilizing clever systems that work ceaselessly behind the scenes by leveraging the power of technology. For businesses trying to make smarter decisions that have a direct impact on their bottom line, AI analytics have emerged as a crucial tool. Businesses can improve their decision-making process and acquire important insights from massive amounts of data by utilizing the power of sophisticated algorithms. AI analytics can improve decision-making by revealing obscure patterns and trends that people would miss. These algorithms enable organizations to quickly make better educated decisions since they can evaluate large datasets in a fraction of the time it would take a human. Additionally, before they materialize, firms can use AI data to identify possible dangers and opportunities. AI solutions help organizations foresee shifts in demand or market volatility by evaluating past data and combining external elements like industry trends, customer behavior patterns, and economic indicators. This proactive strategy enables businesses to create plans and act quickly to optimize earnings and reduce potential losses. AI analytics can also deliver unbiased findings that are unaffected by human prejudices and preconceptions. Cognitive biases can affect a person's judgment throughout a decision-making process. However, organizations can avoid these biases and make decisions based only on objective data analysis by relying on machine learning algorithms. This methodical approach lessens the possibility of mistakes brought on by irrational judgments or emotional impulses. In conclusion, using AI analytics to decision-making has been shown to increase productivity and profit for contemporary businesses. These sophisticated systems can quickly sift through massive datasets while also revealing hidden patterns that people might completely overlook. Businesses have long placed a high focus on personalizing consumer experiences, but because to improvements in AI technology, it is now more effective and efficient than ever. Businesses can better understand their customers by using AI tools to analyze massive volumes of data and spot patterns and trends. Utilizing this data, businesses can modify their goods and services to meet the wants and tastes of certain customers. Real-time recommendations are one of the main advantages of adopting AI technology to personalize client experiences. AI algorithms can provide customers specialized product recommendations based on their particular likes and preferences by examining their purchase history and browsing behavior. By giving customers relevant options they might not have otherwise explored, this not only enhances the whole browsing experience but also raises the likelihood of making a sale. Additionally, chatbots driven by AI are transforming customer service by offering 24/7 individualized support. These virtual assistants can comprehend natural language processing and provide real-time answers to user questions, assuring prompt assistance. By incorporating input from prior conversations, chatbots continuously improve their responses over time through machine learning. This enables companies to offer scalable, consistently tailored service without taxing their resources. In general, AI technology is enabling companies to offer highly tailored experiences that particularly address the needs of each unique client. These tools are revolutionizing how brands interact with customers one-on-one, from providing tailored product recommendations to providing immediate service via chatbots. Utilizing the potential of AI optimization techniques is one of the most important ways firms can boost profitability. Recent advancements in AI technology have made it possible for businesses to use machine learning algorithms to streamline and optimize different elements of their operations. Artificial intelligence, AI, can assist businesses in making better decisions that increase revenue by evaluating massive amounts of data and making modifications in real time. AI optimization methods can be used in a variety of commercial contexts, including pricing models, supply chain management, and production procedures. As an illustration, businesses can utilize predictive analytics to find patterns in consumer behavior and use this data to tailor their marketing campaigns for improved conversion rates. Businesses have a better chance of reaching the right audience with the right message at the right time by consistently improving their targeting tactics based on customer preferences. Moreover, by automating routine processes that used to take people a lot of time to complete, AI optimization approaches help firms increase operational efficiency. Large data sets can be quickly analyzed by machine learning algorithms to identify inefficiencies or process bottlenecks and offer suggestions for how to fix them. Employees can now concentrate on higher value tasks that promote innovation and growth while also lowering costs. Finally, utilizing AI optimization methods is a potent tool for companies to boost profitability. Organizations can get useful insights from enormous data sets and strategically apply them to a variety of areas, including marketing, pricing strategies, and operational effectiveness, by utilizing cutting-edge machine learning algorithms. In conclusion, organizations that want to expand and succeed in today's technologically advanced world must leverage the power of AI. AI tools have the potential to revolutionize a number of corporate processes, from accelerating productivity and optimizing workflows to enhancing decision-making. Utilizing AI's capacity to swiftly and effectively evaluate vast volumes of data is one of its main benefits. AI can find patterns and trends in the data that may not be obvious to human researchers by employing sophisticated algorithms. Because of the insights gained from a wide variety of information, organizations are now able to make decisions that are more informed. AI can also automate routine jobs, giving workers more time to concentrate on higher value tasks. When employees can apply their knowledge and talents to more fulfilling jobs, productivity increases and job happiness rises. In general, businesses may position themselves at the vanguard of innovation while promoting sustainable growth and attaining long-term success in a market that is becoming more and more competitive by embracing AI tools and capabilities. The potential rewards are enormous, ranging from increased profitability and market share to better operational effectiveness and customer service. Organizations that fail to utilize the power of AI risk slipping behind their forward-thinking rivals as technology advances at an unprecedented rate. For companies seeking to remain resilient in a constantly changing digital landscape, incorporating AI into corporate plans should be a top focus. Thanks for watching.